Good morning from Master Trust and welcome to Tuesday's trading session at Dalal Street dated the 27th of August 2024. US Dow Jones increased 0.16%, settling the day at 41,240.52, while Nasdaq ended the session at 17,725.77, falling 0.85%. In the Asian market, Nikkei is trading at 38,013.24 and Hang Seng is trading at 17,798.73. GIFT Nifty is currently trading at 25,016.50, indicating a start in green for the Indian market. FII bought 483.36 crore in the cash market, while DII bought 1,870.22 crore in the last trading session. After UPI's success, RBI is looking at the nationwide launch of the Unified Lending Interface. Indian Railways plans to go nuclear as part of its green drive. Now talking about global aspects, JP Morgan Chase is sued over low rates on cash sweeps. US stock futures tick lower amid tech rotation, rate cut focus. WTI rose 3.5% to $77.42 a barrel and Brent rose 3.05% to $81.43 a barrel. The dollar index is trading at 100.79. The US 10-year Treasury yield is at 0.13%, down. Here is a recap of Monday's trading session. Indian benchmark indices saw a strong uptrend, driven by a US market rally and ongoing foreign fund inflows. This followed US Fed Chair Jerome Powell's Jackson Hole speech hinting at potential rate cuts in September. The key indices, Sensex and Nifty, concluded the session firmly at 81,698.11 and 25,010.60, respectively, with all sectors performing positively except for minor declines in PSU banks. Outlook for the day. Nifty has been consistently forming higher highs and higher lows, successfully closing above the 25,000 mark, and signaling strong bullish sentiment in the market. The next resistance level is at 25,200, and a break above this could propel the index towards 25,400. On the downside, a breach below 24,850 could trigger a decline toward the 24,700 level. Overall, the market sentiment remains bullish, suggesting a buy on dip strategy. Nifty Bank is displaying increased strength, closing above the 51,000 mark and is likely to gain momentum. The next resistance is at 51,400, with a potential target of 52,000. Support is at 50,800, and a breach below this level could lead to a drop to 50,500. Overall, the market sentiment remains bullish, supporting a buy on dip strategy. Stocks on the radar are bullish view, Vedanta, Jindal Steel, HCL Tech, Tech Mahindra, Jubilant FoodWorks. Bearish view, Alcom, Apollo Hospitals, LIC Housing Finance, BPCL, AB. Our chart of the day is bullish on JSW Steel. Trade of the day: JSW Steel, buy at 960 to 965. Stop 932. Target 1012. Aggressive targets at 991. Rationale: all-time high breakout. That is all we have for now. For any queries, do visit our website www.mastertrust.co.in. Thank you and have a profitable day. Please note that stocks mentioned in the podcast are only for educational purpose. Our company or any of its employees shall not be held responsible for any investment or trading action undertaken by any person based on stocks mentioned in this podcast.